Hello, thanks for dropping in. Today we have a Commodore 64, although it's in the newer case, and it is pretty filthy. Pretty filthy indeed. But, you know, it doesn't make it any less a Commodore 64. It can be cleaned. It can be. Hello. I like this. I'm using a Commodore 128 power supply that's converted, but I missed the DIN plug around it. Oh, okay. So, it comes up and works. That is never a bad thing. Let's put the dead test in and turn it on. There is a reason I'm interested. I may even open this machine up. While I was looking for things, I believe I found two of the later, smaller boards that anything that was in sockets isn't there. So, are they dead or are they alive? I don't know. But I would rather not switch anything into them that didn't come from the same board. Because I know the chips supposedly are the same, just with slightly different names. But, you know, maybe I'm needlessly worried. Maybe. Anyway, this machine definitely needs a good cleaning. And the keys look a little bit yellowed, not horribly yellowed, but I'm not sure if they're yellowed or smoking yellowed. And smoking yellowed might come off. Certainly there's some dirt on some of these. And if I'm ever going to clean keys, and I do on occasion clean them, what I do is still thinking. Where's it? Oh, there we go. Anyway, as I was saying, whenever I clean keys, I take the keyboard apart, and then with great care, I pop every single key off, usually using a big salad fork, where I can get in beside and rock ever so gently. And usually it goes well. Once in a while, a stem does break, and then I have to replace that. But mostly it doesn't. And then I take a great big Ziploc bag, and I put warm water, not boiling water, but warm as it'll come out of the tap water, and dish soap. Now this, by the way, this is not including the pads and the stems and the springs, just the keycaps. And then I shake it a lot. And then I let it sit for maybe a day or two. And then I dump out the filthy water and the soap. And then I look at some of the keys and see if it made any difference or if it didn't. And I might do that again. I might. And generally speaking, things look better. If they do have, you know, that awful yellowing, they're never going to look perfect. They're just not. Alright, so we have a working Commodore 64. Now, what kind of board is inside? I'm just looking here. And I think there is hope. Oh! Oh no. No. I can't open this. I can. But I'm not going to. Not yet. Because even in its depleted and dirty state, the warranty sticker is still there. So I'm going to leave this for now. See, I have another machine that I might be able to use. I gotta go get it. Anyway, well, so that's a Commodore 64. Maybe it's a 64C, a C64C, but they're all the Commodore 64. So this one works. Oh, I should just works. Dirty. Sit okay. Yeah. December 2019. Warranty sticker intact.
That was easy.
And indeed it was. Anyway, thanks for coming. We'll do this again, I'm sure. Always a pleasure. Bye for now.